like 6 of them right there, buddy. You're going to end up stepping on. Don't put them on that. You put them on concrete. Okay, that one went in the grass. It's fine. Puppy. Here it is. You got it. You got some in it. No, you're going to dump them all out. Look, I'm going to go see you.